Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in Market Watch, alright, Bitcoin has broken $71,000 barrier and it's fueled by institutional interest and positive economic data that continues to keep coming out. Meme tokens are skyrocketing as Roaring Kitty announces a YouTube live stream. People are going crazy on this. Now let's stay tuned, you guys. Let's answer these questions for you and me, and make sure you guys subscribe and click that notification bell on, because I'm going to keep doing these market watches. It's an easy summary for me to understand what's going down, and it makes it simple for me to show you guys what I'm seeing every day. Now, if you don't know who Roaring Kitty is, it is the start of the entire online meme token world, in my opinion. Now, get ready for some serious FOMO and fear of missing out, of course, because meme tokens are on fire, specifically on the Solana blockchain. And we're not talking about our usual dog, Shiba. We're seeing a whole new wave of tokens. Now we're seeing GME, AMC, Kitty experiencing some crazy gains. Leading the pack is the GME meme coin, completely unrelated to the GameStop company. This cheeky kitty soared amid blowing 110% in just 24 hours, you guys. And it was a whopping 560% over the past week. And is this like a good investment or just pure meme magic? It is because of Roaring Kitty. And if you don't know who Roaring Kitty is, you've been under a rock. But that is basically the meme. He is the person that had changed the game for the stock world and showed the world that we can all band together. And he has an upcoming YouTube live stream scheduled for today. So let's see how well that will affect the meme token. Roaring Kitty is going to basically become a billionaire, which is insane, off of the GameStop. Now, GameStop surged by 47.5% in that day, right? And that his stock shares worth 586 million or more. That's insane. This includes his holdings of 5 million shares valued at 232 million and call options worth more than 324 million. Gill's unrealized gains from these investments is $382 million. If he becomes a millionaire out of this, it would be insane. Now, on the Bitcoin side, Bitcoin's recent rally fizzled out at around 72K. Now, this is leaving all of us wondering, is this a temporary blip or is this a sign of things to come? There's going to be bears always on Twitter and YouTube saying that, and there's also going to be bulls, so it just depends on your situation. But sell-off activity on exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, coupled with the rise in short positions near this price level, suggests that some are betting on a dip. Now, all eyes are on tomorrow's May employment report. That's going to be super freaking critical and important to us. And a weak showing could fuel speculation on an imminent Fed cut rate, now potentially pushing Bitcoin towards new highs. Analysts like GCP believe that the upcoming consumer price index releases could be the spark that ignites another rally, with the rate cuts priced in by the market. Now, let's look at our favorite crypto, BTC. Bitcoin is beautiful, man. Like, look at this. Oh my god, totally followed the channel. It hit right there. Not terrible. Look at that. If I'd have continued that, hit right there. Now we're back in. We had a bit out of the channel we had drawn, and this white line, don't forget, you guys, that's a shit ton of touches over time. And again, it proves to be a viable position for Bitcoin. You have to think about all these charts as lines. That's how I use them to make money, right? So where it is here, this is a very, very, very high liquidity, high important point. That's just the best way to think about it. And Bitcoin right now had multiple touches on the top here. The bad news is we are in a very, very highly liquid spot. Whether it's up or down, that's up to the damn market. But it's a spot for that decision to be weighted on. Now, we could just use the channels as our drawing formation, but then we kind of have to wait. Is it going to get to here and break out? If it does, our next stop is here, and that would be the best thing ever. Now, if it literally taps out here and then just starts going down, I know we're going to break this channel, right? And technically we can take this channel longer, right? Because if it goes from here to here and it goes from here to here, we have now taken it longer and farther. So if that is the case, it still has a chance to maybe push up to here, but it's not perfect. And I only say that because if it does break these, we could have a small fake out though as well. A lot of times it does tend to do that, especially when it's on like this high number. I mean, 71K is a pretty big number. I am hoping that there's liquidity to get it back to these numbers, but that was just a beautiful fake out to that top. So let's just see if that continues. Just keep watching it close, because right now this is a pinnacle point. This either is going to break up and the market shift is going to be all all about Bitcoin, or it's going to break down and we're going to have a shit ton more bears. According to the indicator, we're at a buy signal. So I really do like that, and I'm kind of waiting to see what that does. Thank you so much for following. Please click that subscribe button as you want to be upkept on these market watches. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video.